Sometimes you just gotta cleanse. Although the official medical jury is still out about any benefits of a colon cleanse, a lot of us still look for ways to detox and clean out our systems. It's like an oil change for the innards. Today we're looking at one of the simplest and most natural cleanses around that's become widely popular these days. It combines 3 ingredients that have abilities to break down toxins, aid digestion, and reduce inflammation. Your health from the inside out. Detoxification and cleansing have been a timeless part of cultures worldwide. One of the oldest forms of medicine is that of Ayurveda in India, and cleansing the colon is a key part of its method. Many people today have chronic constipation, leaky gut, and other problems with the digestive system. But why would we want to cleanse the colon? The colon is responsible for getting rid of waste, and it's important to keep it running smoothly. The accumulation of non-circulating waste in the colon can lead to toxicity and imbalances that can cause further health problems. This popular homemade colon cleanse is 100% natural and can help flush out toxins that may be adding to digestive pain. And it can even naturally soothe constipation. Before we get into the recipe, I'd make a note that you plan to do this on a day where you can stay home most of the day, as your colon will be more active than normal. Now let's look at a simple way to make this detoxing drink. Take a half cup of water and warm it on the stove. Don't bring it to a boil, as you'll want to be able to drink it soon after. Then add half a teaspoon of sea salt and dissolve it into the water. The sea salt will help push waste through the body. Now add these 3. Organic apple juice, a half a cup. Fresh lemon juice. You'll need about an ounce, which is the juice of half a lemon. Ginger juice, 1 teaspoon, or the juice from about 1 inch of ginger. Mix them all together in the water. Drink. Apple is a potent detoxer and a natural antibiotic and can help with bowel function. Ginger is wonderful because it naturally lessens bloating and will boost the colon, and it can even help with nausea. The incredible lemon helps digestion and is high in vitamin C, which your body craves when it's stressed. Drink this mixture first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, then again before having a light lunch, and finally a 3rd time mid-afternoon. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day as you cleanse. You can't drink too much, but at least drink 6 to 8 glasses of water for the day. It may be best to slow down the amount of liquids you drink after 5 p.m. so you don't wake up in the middle of the night needing to go to the bathroom. This cleanse should not be a problem and is commonly used. However, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor before cleansing. Do not try this cleanse if you are diabetic because of the high amount of natural sugar in the apple juice. Have you tried a cleanse before? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas.